today's information landscape, headlines come fast, sometimes faster than facts. In 2015, Germany opened its borders to over 1 million refugees. Since then, the media has been flooded with conflicting claims. Some say crime surged, others say it didn't. The truth, often buried in the data. This story isn't unique. Every day, claims are made, supposedly backed by numbers, data, charts, and reports. But how can we know whether those claims truly follow from the data? That's where automated table fact-checking comes in, verifying claims against tabular data using machine learning. Until now, table fact-checking has mostly stayed in research labs. We decided to change that. Meet T-Rex, the table, refute, or Entail explainer. It's the first live table fact-checker powered by state-of-the-art reasoning-focused large language models. In this video, we'll walk you through T-Rex's core features and show how it makes fact verification both accessible and easy to understand. Let's begin with our earlier example. We offer multiple table input methods to support different workflows. Let's upload a CSV file of a table from the German Federal Criminal Police Office. Here's the uploaded table. We'll add a title to give the inference engine more context. Germany, Criminal Statistics, 2006 to 2020. Now we enter our claim. The refugee crisis in Germany led to an important increase in criminal activities. A click on live check sends both table and claim to the inference. Shortly after, the model's answer is streamed to the interface in real time. T-Rex uses chain of thoughts prompting, improving accuracy while also enabling users to follow the model's reasoning step by step. This case highlights why LLMs are especially well suited for this task. First, the model draws on prior knowledge, recognizing the refugee crisis began in 2015. Then, it interprets the claim semantic nuance around the word important, necessary to correctly conclude the claim is false. The output is returned in JSON format that we can copy or download here. It includes the answer and relevant cells, which are used to highlight the table, enhancing interpretability. Now, let's explore a French language case. Indeed, to support broader accessibility, T-Rex is multilingual. When choosing French, the model list dynamically updates to show only compatible LLMs. Let's use Cogito 8b. It features a deep thinking mode that we can toggle here, guiding the model to reason step by step. Let's upload an image of a table. By default, T-Rex uses Granite's 3.2 vision for high accuracy optical character recognition, but also offers Tesseract as a lighter alternative. Let's now load this image of a table from the French Ministry of Ecological Transition and verify the claim. In most energy sectors, France imports more than it exports. First, we show the model's thinking phase here, enabled by the deep thinking mode we selected. Then, we output the model's answer. It correctly identifies the cells and entails the claim. Finally, let's explore the last input method using a table from the TabFact dataset, this time without running a live check. TabFact is a foundational dataset for table fact-checking, included here for demonstration purposes. Users can browse all available tables and access additional context via a preview or direct link to the Wikipedia page from which the table was sourced. Let's pick the first table, disk loading. Table metadata and preview are displayed here. Users can then select a claim associated with the table and run a live check on it. Well, this concludes our live demonstration. Let's briefly explore the second tab. To inform T-Rex's verification pipeline, we evaluated 3 strategies on the TabFact test sets: direct prompting, code generation, and retrieval augmented generation. These are explained in our reports. We present in this tab the results for the best performing approach, direct prompting. We tested the strategy over 5 language models with 2 prompt engineering techniques and passing the table within the prompt in 4 different formats. Let's load the results for the best performing setup: 5-4, chain of thoughts prompting, and naturalized table formats. This dropdown reveals the overall performance metrics, shown as a confusion matrix and a bar chart. Hovering over accuracy shows that this setup reaches 89%, on par with current state-of-the-art. Below, users can browse individual table claim pairs and inspect the model's responses. And that wraps up our demonstration. Remember, T-Rex brings table fact-checking from the lab to your browser. Live, explainable, and ready to separate fact from fiction. Try it yourself, the link is in the video description. Thank you for watching.